Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can log in into the Dropbox account of yours. Now to do that, open the Dropbox application that you have downloaded on your phone device. Once you do that, you will be at this screen page on your Dropbox. So first thing you can do is continue with Google, continue with Apple, or you can continue with email. With Google and Apple, it will be a one-tap login process as you have linked your Google or Apple with the Dropbox account of yours. But we're going to go with the email process. Type in your email address, then tap on continue. Now provide the password, tap on sign in, and just with that you will be logged in into the Dropbox account of yours very easily. So this is a simple process for you to log in into the Dropbox account. Dropbox is a file hosting service operated by an American company. You can upload a lot of files over here. Dropbox brings everything: traditional files, cloud content, and web shortcuts together in one place. You can save and access your files from any device and share it to anyone, anywhere. Hope this video was useful on how you can log in into the Dropbox of yours. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.